Guys, I need to show you how to do the formatting for your science fair planner. So the first thing you're going to do, you notice there's some stuff missing up here, you're going to delete it. So I want you to delete everything above the first box. Then you're going to highlight where you put your actual name, and right here where it says Arial, you're going to choose a font that you think is nice, but it needs to be simple and easily read because it's not going to be huge and the judges need to be able to read this. So I'm going to choose Happy Monkey because I like it. Next, you're going to go right here to the font size and you're going to change that to 30. Now while this is still highlighted, you're going to go right here and you're going to click the paint format. It looks like a paint roller, and you're going to highlight the next box. Click the paint format again, highlight what's in the next box. And we keep doing that until every single box on the planner is formatted this way. So I got a couple more to do. Hold on. Now, right now this planner doesn't have the extra stuff, which is the data and the conclusion. So because I have access to it, I just copied and pasted it in there, and I will do that for you. Whoops. I gotta remember to have this highlighted. Click the format painter, and then I can do it. Okay, now we're gonna do our titles. This 5 points doesn't need to be there, and neither does all of this blank space. So go through and delete that on each one. And on the variables, you don't need the stuff that's in the parentheses. That was notes to you, so you knew what to do. So delete those. Then right here where it says plan to test, you're going to delete almost everything. Change the T to a capital T. Keep deleting all these points, and we got it. Okay, now you're going to highlight one of your titles. You're going to choose a font that you like, and this time it can be fancier. It still needs to be readable, but you can even choose something like this, Homemade Apple Pie, or Lily Script 1. I'm going to choose Lobster. It's fun and I like it. And you need to make this a size 96. Now we're going to do the same thing with the paint format and change all of these titles to this. But watch, right here on the variables, this is huge, and I don't want the independent variable to be that big. So highlight independent variable and change it to 48. That's what you want: independent variable, dependent variable, and the constants to be. There's 2 more that you need to be that size. So go on down to where it says conclusions. Inside the box, you need results to be that same size and font, and conclusions to be the same size and font. Now go back up and highlight one of your great big titles and finish changing all of your titles to that format. Okay, I've got 2 more to do, and then I'll show you the last step. Okay, the last thing you need to do is go right here to File, and you need to go all the way down to Page Setup. You're going to choose Landscape. I want your top to be 0.3. Your bottom, leave it at 1, and no, your bottom should be 0.1. I mean 0.3. Left should be 1 and right should be 1, and then you're going to say OK, and you just formatted your planner so that I can print it quickly for you. All right? Thank you.